students, today we consider problem number 6, exercise 7.8, integration limit of sum. So evaluate the following definite integrals as limit of sum. This is the last problem in this exercise. Now we want to solve this problem by using formula solution. Here f of x equal to x plus e to the power twice x. A equal to 0, lower limit 0, b equal to 4 and a is equal to b minus a, 4 minus 0 equal to 4. Now f of a, this is a0, f of 0, this is 0, e to the power 2 into 0, 0 plus e to the power 0, this is 1, e to the power 0 is 1. F of a plus is f of 0 plus is f of is putting here, if x then x e to the power twice x, then this is e to the power twice is. F of a plus 2 is f of 0 plus 2 is f of 2 is e to the power 2 into 2 is e to the power 4 is. We get this. F of a plus 3 is this equal to f of 0 plus 3 is equal to f of 3 is equal to 3 is plus e to the power 2 into 3 is e to the power 6 is. So we get in this way, and lastly we write f of a plus n minus 1 into is. A means 0 and n minus 1 is f of n minus 1 into is. This equal to n minus 1 into is plus e to the power 2 into n minus 1 into is. We get this. Now, since we know this formula, integration a to b fx dx, this equal to limit h tends to 0 is f of a plus is f of a plus twice is f of a plus 3 is plus f of a plus n minus 1 into is. This one we get. Now putting the ready-made values, a means 0 and b means 4 and fx means x plus e to the power twice x dx. This is limit h tends to 0 is f of a we get 1. That means 0 plus 1 we can write 0 plus 1, and this is 0 plus 1. A plus h we get h plus e to the power 2h. This is h plus e to the power 2h, and f of a plus 2h, then we get 2h plus e to the power 4h, and this is a plus 3h, we get 3h plus e to the power 6h plus and lastly we get this one a plus n minus 1 into h. This will be n minus 1 into h plus e to the power 2 into n minus 1 h. We get this one. So we get this is integration 0 to 4 x plus e to the power twice x dx. This equal to limit h tends to 0 h. First we collect the first term. This is 0, 0 no need to write, h, 2h, 3h, dot 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 n minus 1h. So this is h, 2h, 3h plus dot 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 n minus 1 into h. We collect the first term. Next second term. Second term is 1. Next e to the power 2h plus e to the power 4h plus e to the power 6h plus dot 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 plus e to the power 2 into n minus 1 into h. We get this one. So next, just to collect the first term, we write down first term together, h, 2h, 3h, n minus 1h, these are together. Second term 1 e to the power 2h, e to the power 4h, e to the power 6h, e to the power n minus 1, 2 into n minus 1 is we write down together. Now this will be limit h tends to 0 h, and from all the terms h is common. If a is common, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n minus 1 we get this one. And this is geometric progression. Why this is geometric progression? This by this e to the power 2h, this by this e to the power 2h, this by this e to the power 2h. Their common ratios are same. So if it is geometric progression, then we know the sum of this geometric series, then a n minus a r to the power n minus 1 r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This formula if r greater than 1. This is our formula. So here a means first term 1 and r means e to the power 2h by 1 e to the power 2h. We get this. So using this formula, some formula a is 1, r means e to the power 2h, e to the power 2h to the power n minus 1, e to the power 2h minus 1. This one we get. So we get this one by using this geometric progression formula. We get this sum to n terms. Again, you know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 n, sum of the natural number up to n. This is n plus 1 by 2. So starting number is 1 and ending number n. Ending number n means answer is n plus 1 by 2. If starting number 1, ending number n, then n plus 1 by 2. Now here we have limit h tends to 0 h, and this h remains same. This is 1 2 3 dot dot dot. This is, we assume this is n. If ending number n, answer is n plus 1 by 2. So we assume this is n, then n plus 1 by 2. We get this. And this is e to the power 2h minus 1 and e to the power 2nh minus 1. 2nh, we get this one. So we get this. Next, multiplying h with this and this also. So limit h tends to 0. This is h square this one 2 n minus 1 into n plus h, this is limit, this is e to the power 2h minus 1 e to the power 2 n h minus 1. We get this one. Now this is limit h tends to 0. This 2 is remain same. H square, if we multiplying this, we get n square minus n. And this h we taking in denominator, e to the power 2n h minus 1 and e to the power 2h minus 1 by h. We write this h in denominator. We get this. Now multiplying this h square with this, limit h tends to 0, nh whole square minus nh into h, nh whole square and h square, so nh into h by 2, and this is e to the power 2 nh. We know nh means b minus a, this is 4 minus 0, this equal to 4. We get 4, nh is 4 minus 1, and this is again you know this formula, limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. So we want to write the limit here also, this limit plus limit h tends to 0 we can write here, and this is if this power x and this x both are same, then answer 1. But here e to the power 2h, here h given, we write down this power and this denominator must be same. This is 2h and we write extra 2h here. 2h given and 2 write down and 2 to cancel, ultimately you get this h. So limit h tends to 0, nh means 4, this is 4h by 2 plus e to the power 8 minus 1, and this value we get by using this formula, e to the power x minus 1 by x 1. So this value is 1 into 2. So we get this one, and putting the limit here, this is 16 minus 4 into 0 by 2, and this is e to the power 8 minus 1 by 2. So this will be 16 by 2, and here e to the power 8 minus 1 by 2. So LCM is 2, 16 plus e to the power 8 minus 1, and this will be 15 plus e to the power 8 by 2, and this is our final answer. This is the nice answer. So dear students, the solution is very easy, very simple, and no one can say this solution is difficult. So just practice. Main medicine is practice in mathematics. Without practice, mathematics is very difficult. With practice, mathematics is nothing. So I hope the solution is very easy. If you are feeling easy, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.